It's time to relax. You know what that means. A glass of wine, your favorite easy chair, and of course, this compact disc playing on your home stereo. So go on and indulge yourself. That's right. Kick off your shoes, put your feet up, lean back and just enjoy the melodies. After all, music soothes even the savage beast.
Gotta keep them separated. Like the latest fashion, like a spreading disease. separated.
Hey, man, you're disrespecting me. Take him out.
You gotta keep them separated.
Hey, don't pay no mind. We're under 18 and won't be doing any time. Hey, come out and play. By the time you hear the siren, it's already too late. One goes to the morgue and the other to jail. One guy's wasted and the other's a waste. It goes without saying there's about to be more. No one's getting smarter, no one's running the store. There never any spree of death and violence and hate. It's gonna tie your own rope, tie your own rope, tie your own. Hey, man, you're disrespecting me. Take him out.
Gotta keep them separated.
Hey, man, you're talking back to me. Take him out.
Gotta keep them separated.
Hey.